Hello and welcome to the world of Nilu's magic. The recipe that I have for you today is chicken steak with mashed potatoes and some boiled veggies. So the ingredients that we need for chicken steak are chicken breast. I've taken somewhere around 800 grams of chicken breast, and I'm going to serve some veggies with it. The veggies that I have taken are carrots, bell peppers of 3 different color, and baby corn, and with it we will serve mashed potatoes. So I have taken some boiled mashed potatoes. I need a cup of milk for the mashed potatoes, and the masalas that we need are chili flakes, black pepper, salt according to your taste, and oregano. We need ginger and garlic paste, and we need lime juice. Our last but not the least ingredient is butter. So now it's time to prepare the chicken for the chicken steak. Take the breast pieces and give slight slits on it. These slits will help the masalas penetrate it nicely. Now if you have a meat hammer, take it, and if you do not have a meat hammer, use the roti making pin to flatten this chicken pieces a little bit. This will make the chicken pieces very soft when they are cooked. So our next step is going to be marinating the chicken. Add the ginger garlic paste. Then add the salt, the black pepper, the oregano, and the chili flakes, and mix it nicely. I would prefer to use my hands because in this way the mixing will be done properly, because with the spoon the mixing is not done properly. The masalas will penetrate all the corners of the chicken. Next, add the lime juice. Put a hand beneath so that all the seeds get like filtered here and it doesn't go to the chicken. After adding the lime juice, mix it nicely, because this lime juice will also make the chicken very tender. Now keep it for at least 1 to 2 hours. Take a pan, add little water, and blanch the veggies. Just blanch them. We have to blanch the veggies and not boil them, because we need a little crunch in the veggies that will be served with our steaks. Heat a pan, add little butter. Now we are going to prepare the veggies. If you wish, you can also add some chopped garlic in the butter. Add the veggies to the butter. We had already added salt. Check the salt and add little salt to it. Then add little black pepper. And add little oregano. And just shallow fry it. So the veggies that we will serve with the steak are ready. Now we will turn off the gas and prepare the chicken. Take little refined oil and to it add little butter. Add the chicken and fry it well from both the sides. Keep the flame low. The steaks are nicely cooked from both the sides. Now we are going to prepare the mashed potato. Add little salt to the potatoes. Then add little black pepper to it. Then add little milk to it. Next we will add butter to it. Then add little oregano and mix all the ingredients nicely. Transfer the potato on a plate and mix it very nicely so that it has a creamy texture. Our mashed potato is done. Now it's time to do the plating. So we'll start with the plating. First goes the mashed potatoes. Next goes the veggies. Then goes the chicken. For the final touch to the steak, take a tablespoon of butter and little chopped garlic and spin it in the micro oven and crackle it, and we will pour it on the steak. So our garlic butter is ready. Just pour it on top of the steak. So the steak platter with mashed potatoes and veggies is ready to serve. Friends, if you have enjoyed this video, do subscribe my channel, like and comment to support, and if you are watching it on Facebook page, do not forget to follow it. Thank you.